in the masses, shooting stars above a sky made up of static. All their secrets an enigma, but the answer's in